Okay, dear student, let's see what is there in this question. A planet P has a diameter one third that of Earth. The mass of Earth is 18 times that of P. The gravitational field strength at the surface of Earth is G. What is the gravitational field strength at the surface of the planet P? Okay, in this kind of question, there is a set pattern. You have to follow that pattern. This is a ratio question, which is very typical of IB, and they can create these kind of questions from every other topic. Okay, there is no limit. So the planet P has a diameter one third that of the Earth. So by the diameter, you can even talk about the radius. We can say, so the radius of Earth is taken as R. So the radius of the planet P will be taken as R by 3. Instead of that, we can do one more thing. You can choose R as the radius of the planet P and 3R as the radius of Earth, because we can get rid of fractions. That will help you in calculation, and you can avoid your calculation mistakes. That is why. So the planet P has a diameter or the radius as R, because the radius is half of the diameter in both of the cases. So radius is the radii will be in the same ratio. That is why. So this is radius R, and the radius of Earth can be taken as 3 times that. The mass of Earth is 18 times that of P. So P is assumed as M, and the mass of Earth can be taken as 18m. So it is highly recommended that when you do this kind of a question in your examination, try to write the things the way I have written: R, 3R, 18m, and M. The gravitational field strength is G. Okay, so let us first understand G. So G value is given as Gm divided by R squared. The formula is given in the data booklet. So in the case of Earth, the mass of Earth is 18m, and the radius of Earth is 3 times R square. This value will be taken as G. Whatever value comes out, this is G. So this is 18, this is 3 squared, that will become 9. So 9 2s are 18. So you are getting the answer as 2 GM divided by R square. Now let us talk about G dash, that is the planet. So what is the mass of the planet? The mass of planet is written as M, and the radius is written as R. So it is GM by R square. Straightforward. This value is written as G dash. So you can just substitute it here, G dash. So this means G dash is equal to G by 2. So B will be the right answer. Now, again, this is a typical question that IB asks again and again, repeated. So this question can always be in your examination. This is how we do it. But till now, it was always like the other planet was having 3 times bigger radius and it was having 3 times masses. But in this very case, it is exactly opposite. The Earth is bigger. It is having bigger mass, and the radius is also bigger, and we are talking about a smaller planet. So this is, like, I can say that that is the only change with respect to the other questions, but they have asked this kind of questions so many times now. Okay, dear students, all the best. Thanks for watching.